British Prime Minister Boris Johnson has announced to end COVID-19 restrictions in England in 2 weeks' time. That means wearing masks outside will not be mandatory. A final decision will be taken on 12th of July. Here's more coming in.
No compulsory masks. No enforcing of social distancing. End to compulsory work from home norms. England is set for landmark end to sweeping COVID restrictions, as per the plans set out by British Prime Minister Boris Johnson. In 2 weeks' time, England may return to the normalcy which the world was accustomed to before pandemic struck. The restrictions may end on July the 19th. However, a final decision will come on July 12th.
We will allow all businesses to reopen, including nightclubs. We will lift the limit on named visitors to care homes and on numbers of people attending concerts, theatre and sports events. We will end the 1 metre plus rule. It will no longer be necessary for government to instruct people to work from home.
Johnson, however, said he will personally stick to wearing masks.
Will I personally wear a mask? I think that, as I said earlier on, it will depend on the circumstances.
Under the plan, nightclubs will be allowed to reopen and there will be no limits on capacity for hospitality venues. Social distancing guidelines will be scrapped. The new health policy may have a cautious beginning in England, but not for Scotland, Wales or Northern Ireland.
It's very often not the big outdoor environment itself, it's the indoor environments with crowded spaces around that become the risk for spreading, and that's where most super spreading events have occurred, in those sorts of environments.
The decision comes at a time when threat of Delta variant is growing in UK. The ongoing Euro Championship has sparked fears of massive COVID spread, with over 60,000 fans expected in Wembley Stadium for semi-finals and the final.
A third wave and the projections when we outlined the roadmap were for sadly more hospitalisations and sadly more death.
Britain has recorded more than 128,000 coronavirus deaths till date, the highest in Western Europe. Bureau Report, India Today.